I was looking for an 8 by 10 frame situation where I could display two 8 by 10 photos of the same theme right next to each other, but not take up too much space. And I needed this to be a desk mount or a table mount. And this double 8 by 10 picture frame by DecorUhome really fits the bill. This is a high value frame and it opens from the back with these levers as you see here. And when you get inside, you will see that the glass over the picture, it's a plexiglass. And I like this because it keeps this double 8 by 10 frame light, but it keeps it nice at the same time. The photos are nice and clear still, and you don't have to worry about potentially glass breaking if you drop this or if you move this. So, if you are looking for a double 8 by 10 frame that is a good value, I 100% recommend this one by Decor You Home.